Alright, so we've literally just left home, probably 4 minutes ago, something like that. Already got a phone call from the wife saying something's gone wrong, but I'm not going back, so we're good. Toby's in the back there. I have no idea how long he's going to stay calm for. We've got helper cars on the head unit in the car. He is happy as with that. The GPS is saying 6 hours and 34 minutes until we get to Rhodes, which is 577k. If it was just me, I'd be doing that in one leg. Might stop for lunch briefly, eat on the drive, but something tells me I'm going to be stopping 3 or 4 times with him. Just purely change his bum for starter. But he's probably going to get a bit restless in the car, I reckon. Alright, let's get some K's under the belt, shall we? Stand there. Alright, so this is officially the first stop apart from that quick lunchtime.
Stop.
Yeah, first stop of the trip. Oh, you just woke up, you need a bum change. Stay there. You're right. I know, it's bright, isn't it? Wheels under my skull. Chat back there, buddy? Yeah. Probably because you're high on sugar. Play. Yeah, but we set up camp first, remember? You know why? Because then when you start to play, you don't have to worry about anything else. Like redback spiders in your swag. That's a good one to get, isn't it? You stomp on it. Good boy. You stomp on that spider. Way. Shoes on. What do you reckon? Who's that? What? So I actually kind of want to share that little moment with you because this is the first time that Toby has ever been to the beach and seen the ocean. Hey buddy, you've never seen the waves, have you? We're not beach people. We don't like to go bake on the beach and sit in 40-degree heat. Oh, the water's chasing you. So for us, this is unique for him. Hey Toby, what have you got, mate? What have you got? Apart from a snotty nose. Hey? Have you got jelly beans? Don't tell Mum, right? None of you tell Mum. Alright, so just got to the little gated community at Norwood Arena. So if you've never been here before, essentially there's some gates to get through. There's like a little township in there. Obviously drive super slow. There's people that live there permanently, don't be a tool about it. So we've got two others now. Aaron in another very, very neat 200 series. I'm going to show you his rear tail lights and his front grille soon. Big fan of those. And fairly sure it's Paul. Oh. In a next to brand new, looks like Ranger. It is.
How many you got?
Yeah. I'm looking forward to this. Whole bunch of kids. I think there's going to be what, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 kids. I like it. Coming out with people in the same situation as obviously other dads that are bringing their kids by himself. No mums here. It's nice. It's refreshing. It's like I'm not the only one that does it, and I'm not here by myself. So I've got help with Toby or with anyone else, and vice versa, because we're all like-minded in what we're doing. We've all got an eye out for each other's kids. It's good. This is what it should be. And so starts my weekend of fitness, running up and down hills. Oh, I'm going to die. This is going to be good for me actually. Alright, so first sand hill of the trip. Just quickly come across, oh my god, just quickly come across the beach. To be young again, that'd be nice. Alright. Send some cars up. Well, that sounds nice. Awesome.
That's number 2.
right turn up the hill.
After we take this recycling to the dogs.
Someone's happy. God, I love this thing. Make it.
Yeah. What a beast.
So this is actually his first time driving on sand and first trip out with the car, so there's going to be a lot of learning that goes on this weekend for old mate. I'm so unfit. Oh, shocker. Tell you what, that 200 hours look bloody nice from up here. Look at this. Just look at that. Nice looking car. And you got mine. Toby's in there somewhere. So we reckon tyre pressure might be playing a part. So we're going to drop a few PSI, I think. No go for the big 200.
Yep. I found it! Ah! Give it, give it, give it, give it, give it!
Car number 5 became blue. And car number 4 is green. We painted all the small cars. The car carrier can go.
He's working his way forward.
TV?
Yeah.
Will you stick to it?
Concrete mixers for repairs as
That's it. You just had a sleep, mate. You should be awake.
It's okay.
Dad! Look what happened!
What happened?
The big stick fell.
No, that's okay. Okay, mate.
That for?
Camera. Just to record stuff.
Cause what?
Just stuff.
I can see you.
Ah, it's all about memories.
I can actually see you.
Ah.
I see the same stuff. Yeah?
Yeah.
Here.
Actually, you want barbecue sauce or tomato sauce in your burger?
So,
Good. Sit down.
sit down.
On bar 4G.
Yeah, I keep dropping in and out with it.
Yeah. And then he was just weird, like he was an odd character to be around, right? So I tried to make a point of having a chat to him. And then I'm like, oh, what do you want to do with yourself, like?
Okay? Do it? You do it? Yay! Go around and around. I go around this one.
Actually, come here.
I'll take a shortcut near my bye.
Alright, so day 3 for us, day 2 for the other guys.
Now we can paint the
Good night last night. Toby slept like a log and he actually slept in, so he didn't wake up until about just after 6 o'clock South Australian time, which is about 6:30 Vic time, which is awesome for him considering he normally wakes up about 5:30. I'm happy with that. Hey little man, slept like a champion, didn't ya? Yeah. He's actually started to make friends with the other kids now. He's running around with them. So he's starting to enjoy it, which is nice. I like it. Just about to hit the tracks. See what today holds. Oh yeah, that thing's a beast. Love it. Nice. All right, now for the Ranger. Bit more mumbo when she made it. Happy days. All right. Let's send the big girl up. Awesome. Hit maybe say?
Yeah, go.
Guard rub.
She's soft. As you can see, this has not been driven for a very, very long time. Look at that! Woo! Great drive, great drive.
Alright, he made that look easier than I did. Now someone's just showing off.
Alright, crawl control. So that's going nowhere.
Alright.
Oh, hear that sound?
Button's done. I'm screwed.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Steve had to be rescued. And what we haven't told Steve is that that means he has to do the dishes tonight.
Oh no, I didn't make it. He drove on before that, I didn't, so that's payback. See, we can drive. Alright, finally set up camp for the night. That was actually a really cool day. It wasn't super hectic, wasn't running around all day long. We stopped heaps for the kids, they had a ball. Toby played in the sand heaps today. Just a good day, I like it. So, getting on with dinner, and this is just impressive, so I want to show you guys all this. So, what do we got here? So this is Aaron, by the way, and that's not Paul, it's Peter. It's Pete. Oh, gee whiz. What are they?
Ribeyes. Dinosaur bone.
That is massive.
I hope you like it rare.
Oh, I'm more of a medium rare, so can't still be mooing. And Toby, mate, you eating your dinner? Are you eating your dinner, buddy? Are you? You got something in your mouth. You also got snot hanging out your nose.
Dad, can you help me get this thing out?
Hang on, mate.
So what's this thing called?
This is called Osprey.
Osprey.
Yeah. I think it's a South African thing, actually.
Mm.
What is it, Dad?
So what you can do
It's huge.
is you can put it into different levels. Yep, I think you need to move it across because this one's going to get no heat. That will have no heat, that one, so move that around. That's it.
What's the other one for then?
And we just need to keep stoking it with this one. So alright, then we'll see you in 3 days' time.
Bear Grylls style.
It's going to take a good 45 to an hour. Oh, yes.
Wait, when do I have to drink my own pee?
And what we'll do is we'll pull from We have plenty of alcohol, don't you? As we'll pull from there. Yeah.
Now, like, insert one of those 1 hour later.
Yes.
Alright, so we have 3 dinosaur legs. That.
Gonna rest for a little bit, see how they're going.
How long was that? About an hour and a half.
Yeah, probably hour 20, yep.
I think this is the least cooked one of the lot.
So basically you're telling me it's almost dinner time.
Pretty close.
Most definitely.
Pretty close.
Cool, because I'm a few too many cans in already, so I probably need to eat something.
We all are.
Love it. So Georgie boy, I know you're not here in road because, you know, reasons, but I'm fairly sure you got a serious contender right here for
Listen to this.
beating your ass at cooking.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
I think I can see a bit of a cook-off coming off. Yeah?
Bring it on.
Come on, look at that. For some meat, right? Oh, we're out of focus. Look at that for some meat. Oh,
Food together. Delicious.
Food brings people together.
I was literally just about to say that. 100% correct. George says the same thing all the time. Loves it. This, oh, look at that. That's a good medium rare right there. Looking forward to
I
this.
told you.
Alright, so review of the steak for tonight. Wow. Alright, I'm not even going to say words, I'm just going to show you what the review of the steak was. Like, alright, so that's gone. What do you reckon? How was it?
It was, well, if that's what's left, then pretty good, right?
I definitely cannot complain about that at all, and immensely thankful for the fact that they included me in it. So, I got the meat. Seriously, I got the meat sweats. It's great. Bottle. So day 3 or 4, I think this is day 4 for us, and the wind is picked up. I'm getting sandblasted on my bloody legs. It hurts. We literally camped right down there last night. Really sorry about the wind, hopefully it's not too bad. And there's this awesome sand dune right here, so we're going to have a bit of a play first thing this morning. God, I love sand. Toby and I had a moment this morning. He definitely beat me a little bit, but good to have some other dads here to help out. Made it look easy. Come on, out-driven by a Ranger. Alright, so I may or may not edit the fact that the Ranger drove that easier. He's having a bit of trouble, and mind you, I took 2 days to get up as well. So, but first car, fresh sand. It's not the rain. Why is it raining? Come on, people. Anyway. So it's a super sad day, but it's gonna have to sell the cruiser and buy a Ranger.
Or just do some driving lessons, one of the two.
More likely. Driving Miss Daisy over here.